Hello everyone. Today's topic is an introduction to vitamins. Vitamins are organic compounds occurring in natural foods, either as such or as utilizable precursors which are required in minute amounts for normal growth, maintenance and reproduction. That is for normal nutrition and health. They differ from other organic foodstuffs in that they do not enter into tissue structures unlike proteins. They do not enter into tissue structures unlike proteins. Then they do not undergo degradation for providing energy. Do not undergo degradation for providing energy unlike carbohydrates and lipids. Then several B complex vitamins play an important role as coenzymes. In several energy transformation reactions in the body. Then they differ from hormones in that they are not being produced within the organism. And most of them have to be provided in the diet. We will see the general classification of vitamin C. These vitamins, all vitamins are broadly classified into two groups. That is fat soluble vitamins and water soluble vitamins. In fat soluble vitamins, it includes vitamin A, D, E and K. In water soluble vitamins, it includes vitamin C or ascorbic acid, then vitamin B complex. It includes vitamin B1 that is thiamine, vitamin B2 that is riboflavin, then niacin that is vitamin B3, then vitamin B5 or pantothenic acid, vitamin B6 or pyridoxine, then vitamin B7 or biotin, then vitamin B9 or folic acid group, vitamin B12 or cyanocobalamin. Then it includes alpha lipoic acid. Then other water soluble vitamins include inositol, para-aminobenzoic acid or PABA, then choline. So this is an introduction to vitamins. This is today's topic. Thank you for watching.